शेर में काला जादू का सीन देखते हुए मेरे जहन में 2 सवाल आए। पहला सवाल, ये पीछे ब्लर क्या हुआ है। दूसरा सवाल, क्या ये लीगल है। Welcome back to क्या देखा जाए, where we discuss TV shows, movies and dramas. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into it. The Kala Jadoo subplot starts in episode 13 when the maid is quietly blending powder and a chit into the tea. She later goes to this woman where we learn that she has been taking her help for quite some time to make sure that their marriage falls apart.
बड़ी बेटी की शादी को 2 साल हो गए, अभी भी बेऔलाद है। किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर का तो पता लगाएं।
So that she can be with him.
दिल तो उसी पे आया ना जी। क्या रंग, क्या रूप, गुलाफी आंखें। मैं रब्बों की मालकन भी होती ना तो भी उसके कदमों में पड़ी रहती।
Not gonna lie, the taste in men is not good. Moving on. I know पाकिस्तानी ड्रामास में और भी बहुत ट्रिपलिंग चीजें दिखाई जाती हैं, such as murders, kidnappings, and God knows what else. So Kala Jadoo being added to the list shouldn't be that big of a problem. But here's the thing: all of the above things are illegal and are identified as illegal according to the law. Are people successfully held accountable for their crimes? That's another debate. But we can all agree that those things are illegal. But what about Kala Jadoo? Where does that sit in our legal system? Well, for a long time, Kala Jadoo has existed in a legal grey area in Pakistan. While things like fraud and harm are obviously legal, there wasn't a specific law that named and criminalized the practice of black magic itself. For example, आमतौर पर अगर कोई रूहानी मदद की आड़ में किसी दूसरे शख्स पे पैसों का धोखा करता, तो ऐसे केसेस पर पाकिस्तान पीनल कोड के मुताबिक ये फ्रॉड का केस माना जाता था. But now that's changing. अभी मार्च में a major development took place. The Senate Interior Committee approved a new bill to specifically tackle this issue, and it proposes adding a new section to our criminal law, Article 297A. What does that mean? Well, not good news for her. This new law would make practicing or promoting black magic a crime, which can be punishable from 6 months to 7 years in jail and a hefty fine of up to 1 million rupees. और एक और अच्छी बात ये है कि it will require रूहानी doctors to get a license to practice their craft, जिसकी मदद से frauds or exploiters will be differentiated from those who practice traditional or spiritual healing responsibly. So, while in the past it wasn't explicitly illegal, the legal system is now catching up. The actions of the maid and the woman she's visiting in Sher could finally fall directly under this new law, moving them from a dramatic subplot to a clear criminal offense. This shows a real-world shift where the law is finally trying to provide an answer to the exact question. So, to answer the question, where does Kala Jadoo sit in our legal system? Well, it's on the verge of being explicitly outlawed. Thank you so much for watching क्या देखा जाए. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day, good luck and goodbye.